Hello, everyone. Welcome to my kitchen. My name is Jimena Juliet Alvarez Marin. Today, I am going to show you how to prepare a delicious lemon dessert. I will make the recipe myself, explain each step while I prepare it. Let's begin. Step instruction 1. Gather all ingredients. Take the heavy cream and 6 lemons and flavored jelly, condensed milk, and 2 cookies. Also, prepare your utensils: a blender, a bowl, a spatula, and mold. 2. Wash the lemons. Clean them well because we will use the juice. Look, 3. Cut the lemons in half. Use the knife. Mhm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 4. Squeeze the lemons. Extract the juice from lemon and pour it into a small bowl. 5. Mix the cream. Come here. Come here. Mix the cream. Cream. Oh, delicious. Mix the cream totally. Mix the cream. Okay. Mix the cream. Mix the cream. Oh, condensed milk. Condensed milk. Delicious. Delicious. Totally. Oh, delicious. Yes. Jelly. And lemon juice. 6. Blend the mixture. Blend everything for about 30 seconds. Prepare the mold. Place 2 layers of Ducales cookies on the bottom of the mold. Come here. Ducales. One, one, the first cup. One, y one. One, one. Two cup. Eight. Pour the mixture into the bowl. Look. Delicious. Delicious, delicious. Use the spatula. Nine. Refrigerate the dessert. Come here. Bye bye. See you later.